Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace blower motor on Nissan Rogue step by step. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then remove the glove box to access the blower motor housing. Unplug the blower motor connector and remove mounting screws. Gently lower the motor assembly. Transfer resistor and seals if needed. Install the new motor, reconnect wiring, test operation, and reinstall the glove box and battery. Start by laying out tools and parts where you can reach them without stretching, and charge your phone to use as a flashlight if needed. Remove interior panels slowly to avoid breaking clips, and keep screws organized in labeled containers. Confirm the new blower motor spins freely by hand before installing, and inspect the cabin air filter for replacement while the glove box is out. Follow torque cues and reconnect the battery last to test. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can bring more helpful repair videos your way. Quick recommendation. I spotted a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with DIY savings when you avoid shop labor costs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With gloves on, unplug the blower motor connector and gently pull the wiring harness slack. Then remove mounting screws and lower the assembly carefully. Transfer any mounting foam or resistor components to the new motor to preserve fit and airflow sealing. Reinstall the new motor, tighten screws snugly, reconnect the harness, and restore power to test each fan's speed and listen for unusual noises. Reassemble panels and confirm climate control works across all settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.